They twinkle and they spread holiday cheer. Because of the holiday season, cheap Christmas lights have begun to sprout in the market. Though cheap doesn't necessarily mean low quality. Some Christmas lights pose serious hazards to consumers. So how does the Trade Department regulate the sale of this Christmas staple? Joining us in the studio is DTI NCR Director Ferdinand Manfoste. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ron. Good morning to our televiewers.
Okay, I'm first curious how the DTI would be able to check all of the Christmas lights that are being sold out there.
Actually, the Bureau of Product Standards through our regional and provincial offices all around the country implements the monitoring and enforcement of the Philippine National Standard. There's actually a Philippine National Standard 189 series of 2000 wherein the quality of all the Xmas lights sold in the market are being checked. No? So the regional and provincial office of DTI goes, particularly during the months of starting September up to December, they enforce the Philippine National Standards in terms of going to the markets and outlets to see to it that these are all legally certified for
So ganun
for
kaaga pa
selling.
lang, September pa lang nag-iikot na talaga kayo.
Actually, last September, we already have divisoria monitoring and two retailers were already charged.
Bakit? Anong kaso?
They don't support the new ICC mark in the packaging of their Christmas lights. So this is already one violation or one reason why we can already confiscate their products and at the same time file charges to these retailers.
Mas madali muna yung pag-check ng standards if the company is registered and you have separate inspections for that, right? Yung paglabas pa lang ng pagawaan, na-check nyo yan, may samples kayo na na-check ng mga ilaw if it follows
Yes,
standards.
actually, we follow 5 steps, no? We don't have right now any local manufacturer for Christmas lights.
Okay. Walang local, so lahat to imported.
So all are importers. So all are imported. And when they import, they ask for or they apply for the ICC certification or the import commodity clearance. And then these are subjected, once it arrives the port in Manila, they are subjected to inspection. So DTI or the Bureau of Product Standards goes to the warehouse for inspection of these products, and then later on they get samplings for testing. So the importers themselves get to submit the products for testing at the Bureau of Product Standard testing center.
They submit specific products. You just don't choose from the.
They get sampling, no? Through sampling, and then when these are approved or they pass the test, then they are given or they are requested to purchase ICC mark or ICC stickers. And this sports a new hologram, and these are now as compared to previous ICC stickers, these are mahirap tanggalin.
So bago tong sticker for this year, ICC sticker,
ICC
hologram siya. Anong nakalagay doon sa sticker? How will we be able to distinguish if this is the new sticker aside from it being a hologram? Hindi hologram yung dati, ano lang yun, yung puti, di ba?
Puti lang, tsaka madaling matanggal yan. But this time, it reflects the serial number relative to the shipment and the manufacturer or importer of the particular product or Christmas lights.
Nakalagay doon?
Nandun, meron ngayon. Tapos meron siyang control number na halimbawa 1,000 units ang pinurchase ng importer. There are 1,000 stickers numbering from 1 to 1,000. Reflected na doon sa sticker mismo.
Hindi madaling mapeki itong sticker na to.
Mahirap ron kasi mahirap tanggalin. Pagka tinanggal mo naman siya, matitira yung DTI. So kapag hindi ganun yung tinignan ng mga consumers, ibig sabihin, fake din yung sticker na ginamit.
Kasi ang kinakatakot natin, lalo na kung if the Christmas lights are all imported, there are some that are going to slip through, yung mga illegal na shipment. Yung mga yon hindi makakakuha ng sticker sa inyo.
Unless they pass through the testing and inspection. At the same time, they subjected their products sa testing ng Bureau of Product Standards. And it passed So that's the only time, when it passes, that's the only time they're given or they are requested to purchase their ICC stickers. Also from DTI.
Okay, ano pa hanapin namin? If I go to a shop, I'm looking for Christmas lights. There are going to be imported ones. There are going to be cheap ones. Yun ang unang kong hahanapin.
Yung ICC stickers.
Ano pa yung pwede kong tignan para malaman na sure na safe to at na-inspection to ng DTI na okay to?
I think the labeling requirements is also important. Ano? Halimbawa, it states there yung manufacturer or the origin of the product. And then the
usually nasa box naman yun, di ba?
Nasa individual na siya. Individual packaging siya.
Okay.
Plastic packaging usually or carton packaging. So it states there yung name of manufacturer, origin, whether it's from China or whichever country, and it also reflects yung voltage or wattage. No, kasi importante din yun kasi when we particularly for for outdoor Christmas lights, kapag ginamitan natin yan ng mga extension cords, dapat yung mga gauge number ng mga wires should be adjusted doon sa wattage or voltage naman ng Christmas lights that we buy.
Okay.
That we buy, no? So, importante yun na nakukompute natin kung halimbawa ilang sets ng Christmas lights ang pwedeng halimbawa gamitin doon sa isang particular extension cord.
Ba? Meron pa palang gano'n?
Meron gano'n, no?
Namin ma-check
As an example, ito, yung usually 22 gauge wire na ginagamit sa isang normal or average extension cords, pwede mong gamitan ng 5 sets na kapag ang Christmas lights mo ay LED, o yung titawag na light emission diode, 5 sets pwede mong gamitin.
Sa isang extension cord?
Sa isang extension cord. Pero kung halimbawa ang gagamitin mo naman yung regular natin na incandescent lamp, 2 lang pwede. So, hindi pala pwede yung 5 o kahit mga 4 na tuloy-tuloy na regular Christmas lights ang gagamitin mo. Otherwise, mag-overheat yung extension cord.
Pero para safe na lang, wag na lang punuin yung halimbawa 5 yung saksakan, wag na lang punuin.
Dapat ganun talaga. Kumbaga, average mo lang talaga. Pero ang sabi ko nga, na I've already mentioned, the LED, it's pati contributory yung LED doon sa when we prevent yung global warming, So that's why siguro we also endorse yung purchase of this LED Christmas lights. Kasi nga it saves energy. No, at the same time mas brighter yung glow. Mas brighter yung glow. At the same time, sabi ko nga it prevents yung because it saves energy. Halimbawa sa paggamit natin sa mga extension cord, mas maraming pwede natin gamitin for a particular extension cord rather than as compared to the use of regular Christmas lights.
Okay, meron pa ba sa pag-inspect namin kung bibili kami ng Christmas lights, like sa feel ba mararamdaman na namin kung substandard siya?
Yes, actually kapag particularly doon sa mga regular regular Christmas lights mo, subukan mo kaya stretch siya.
Yung hatak-hatakin mo ng
hatak-hatakin mo. Siguro mga once lang or twice nag-break kagad.
Oo, meron ganun yun. Natatanggal yung balot doon sa wires.
Yes, at the same time, doon sa plug, di ba doon sa plug, natatanggal kagad yun. At the same time, yung metal ng plug, medyo softer.
Okay.
Di ba? Madaling, kahit kamay mo, pwedeng baliin
Pero pag yung mga ganun, halimbawa, nabili ko na, hindi naman kuminsan na re-refund yun, na ibabalik madali ba lang ma-repair yun? Okay lang ba i-repair namin ng
mas mahirap
tape? O bumili na lang kami ng bago?
That's why sabi natin we prescribe sa mga consumers natin na to look at the labeling kung saan yung may manufacturer para doon natin pwedeng o doon sa retailer pwede nating ibalik once na sabi natin madali naman nasira to or whatever, no? So doon yung purpose of looking at the labeling, at the labels, na nandoon yung name of manufacturer and address of manufacturer.
Covered pa rin doon. Those products still have warranties. They should have warranties.
They should have
right?
warranties.
Kaya importanteng alam mo kung sino yung gumawa at saan ka pupunta para mabalik.
Tama yan,
Okay.
Kaya sabi nga natin, aside doon sa mga sinabi natin tips, we should also look at doon sa kung may mga exposed wires. Kasi minsan nakita natin parang may mga hiwa-hiwa yung wires, or merong na-melt doon sa mga lamp holders. Ito yung kinakabitan ng Christmas lights yung mga lamp holders na yan. Some of them, madali nagme-melt. So makita na sunog kagad yan. So ito yung mga consumers natin should be very particular about it na ibig sabihin itong cannot withstand too much heat yung mga ganitong klaseng Christmas lights.
Okay, pag merong mga complaints ang mga consumers sa pagbili nila ng Christmas lights o meron mga isumbong na nakakita sila nagbebenta ng wala nung ICC stickers, the numbers to call?
Of course, ang aming call center is DTI call center 751-3330 o kaya they can visit sa bps.dti.gov.ph.
Ay, ba to? BPS?
Bureau of Product Standards.
BPS.dti.gov.ph. Okay, meron naman kayong mga mga booths sa mga malls at saka sa mga big stores.
Yes, yung business service centers also open sa lahat ng mga SM malls natin. So they can go there and file their complaints relative to Christmas lights.
Okay, Director Ferdinand Manfoste of the DTI NCR. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat din, Ron. Maraming salamat.